Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. My good name is Angie Karani, and if you're new here, kindly consider liking and subscribing. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for being here. Najua nawapenda sana sana sana. Thank you for the love and support. It's been a minute. I know it's been a minute. Sindio, the last time I've been here, nilikuwa na rant. I was literally ranting. But sahii we are doing good. At least lips zangu zimeanza kukua fiti. I just hope I'll get back to my normal state because as you can see, they're still dark, but we're getting there. See, my lips are soft and they're still dark, but we're getting there. Pole pole too. So if you haven't watched that video, kindly go back. You will see it. Imeandikwa fake products. So you will see it. Make sure you watch it and at least learn a thing or two because you might be a victim. So I don't want you to be victims because you are my family, and that's why I posted that video. That's why I did that video. I was looking ugly. I know, I know. But at least I know someone will learn out there. I know it will help someone. So make sure you watch that video if you haven't watched it. So today I want to prepare dinner and I want to show you how to prepare something real quick. As you can see by the title, it's something really, really sweet. So I want to show you how to prepare a mango milkshake, okay? It's like a mango juice but with some spice in it, like a bit extra. So as you can see, I have some stuff behind me. So I'll be showing you how to prepare a mango milkshake. Make sure you watch the video till the end, stick around, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe. Tell me how you make your juice. Tell me how you make your mango juice or how you make... Niambieni hizo recipes mnatumia because I want to learn them. try it out. It is so yummy, gosh. You should try it out. It's a very simple recipe. Thank you guys for keeping me company up to this point. I really appreciate the love and support. Kindly consider liking and subscribing because it really supports my channel. Okay, yeah. So I hope you share this at home. Tell me how it goes. Tell me if you love it. As you can see, it's a very simple recipe, a quick one, and it's nice. You get yourself a yummy milkshake, homemade. Okay. Thank you so much for being here up to this point.